This is the latest restoration. Just picked it up on Friday at Woking. Andy Forward, an old comrade, friend, competition man, and he donated to the museum. His friend and partner, Mervyn Evans, passed away recently. It was his project, and he thought it would be nice if the Museum Trust had this. It's a JD made by the Bowden Wire company, who made all the levers for bikes in the 30s. All the cables, they were major manufacturer of all the accessories for bikes, so they decided they would like to make a motorcycle. This is 1922. So they made this 116 two-stroke engine. That's the valve lifter there, which is quite handy. And when you did the valve lifter, the fumes came out there into the exhaust system rather than idle over the engine. Weird transmission on it there. If you see this here, the engine drives that sprocket there, and that sprocket drives the band on the rear wheel. So never seen before that. And then that's your clutch, that lifts it. So then when that lifts it, you've got free wheel. So there you go, like that. Well, single speed Bowden carburetor, which is quite rare. That's the same as this carburetor here on the Excelsior Manxman. They use Bowden carburetors too. That's the mechanical marvel. So those carburetors were very popular in the 20s and the 30s. But have a look on this side here, and there we go, magneto, stirrup type brakes. I've got to make up the back brake, it's missing. So I've got to get all this up here and cabled up and so forth. Need to get a set of period mud guards for it. So got Nettley Marsh auto jumble this weekend, so shopping for period 1922 mud guards. Flat tank as usual in those days. Not a lot of capacity, but then it's really a small engine. So there we go. Nice little project, and you can see how nice and free that is. Works exceptionally well. So be an interesting addition to the museum. Probably join the quadrant, the 1898 quadrant. So same sort of period. Bowden made the frame. It isn't a cycle frame. It's their own special frame, and reinforced heavy lugs. So we'll keep you up to speed on progress on the restoration, and we'll give you a demo probably in a couple of months, 3 months time. So there we go, Bowden 1922 JD model.